if you're struggling to engage or captivate an audience, then there could be several things, several reasons for that. One of the things that you can look at is how your stories are. Are your stories relating towards the audience or not? Are they just related to you, or do the audience recognize themselves in the stories that you tell? So you can check your stories. The second thing that you can check is how your energy is, not only in the room, but also the energy in you interacting with the audience. Are you asking enough questions to activate them to answer? Because the brain is wired to answer questions, so why not use them? Are you letting them interact? Let them share with the neighbor on their sides, and let them share their experiences or their highlights of particular section of your presentation, for instance. Or are you letting them share? Ask an open question and ask them, okay, what are the frustrations when it comes to public speaking? And then you ask them and you invite them to say it out loud, and you have a flip over next to you, right, and a pen, and then whatever they are saying, you write down. That means that they can see, of course, what you are writing down, but they also have a feeling that they are part of your presentation, that it's not just a one-way direction, but that they are having the feeling of being heard, which is very important. And the last thing that you can check, if you have a dead audience, that's how I call them, dead audience. They're not dead, of course, but they're just sitting back, is, well, if you are, for instance, also providing a lunch, do you provide them with a light lunch, or do you provide them with a very rich meal which sits in their stomach, so all their energy in the body goes towards the stomach and they're having trouble concentrating with you? Or is it late in the evening, or you're giving them a presentation all day? If they have been given a presentation all day and their head is full with information and they just can't take anymore. Those are things that are possible also. So you need to look at the entire day, what's happening there. How is the distribution over time between points of rest and points of attention? And then, of course, always got a group of people that are just sitting back, not interacting, and just listen. I wouldn't discard those people. One of the things that I've learned so far is that the people who are most likely to buy your package, your product at the end, your high ticket product, are not necessarily the people who interact. They can also sit back and are checking you out. Do they like you? Do they trust you? All those type of things. It doesn't necessarily mean that they are discarding you. So just something to think about. So when you have a dead audience, don't immediately start thinking, oh, I did something. No. Look at the people, what type of people they are. Look at the structure of your presentation. Is there enough interaction and stories and all that type and energizing stuff? And look at the entire day, whether maybe they had a full meal or not, like I said. Okay? And if all else fails, you can always say, oh, well, it's a rehearsal. It's a paid rehearsal. That's what we call it in music land. All right. Have a great day. Bye.